Let's start with nomenclature of coordination compounds. The formulas and names adopted by coordination entities are based on recommendations of the International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry, that is IUPAC. Naming of mononuclear coordination compounds. The groups that surround the central metal atom must be identified in the name. They are listed as prefix to the name of the central atom along with any appropriate multipliers. First, the cation is named first in both positively charged and negatively charged coordination entities. The ligands are named in the alphabetical order before the name of the central atom or ions. The names of anionic ligands ending O and those of neutral and cationic ligands are the same except aqua for water, amine for NH3, carbonyl for CO, and nitrosyl for NO. They are placed in within enclosing the brackets if there are more than one ligands. Prefix of mono, di, tri, etc. are used to indicate the number of individual ligands in the coordination entity. When the names of the ligand include a numerical prefix, then the terms bis, tris, tetrakis are used. For example, in NiCl2 PPH3 thrice and whole twice is named as dichloro-bis. Why do we use bis? Because tri is already there in the name. Triphenylphosphine nickel 2. The oxidation state of the central metal atom or ion is written in the bracket. Oxidation state of the metal in cation, anion or neutral coordination entity is indicated by Roman numeral in parentheses. If the complex ion is a cation, the metal atom is named same as the element. For example, CO in the complex cation is called cobalt and platinum is called platinum. That is neutral and positively charged complex, the names remain as it is. But if the complex is an anion, the name of the metal ends with the suffix ate. For example, CO in the complex ion is called cobaltate. For some metal, the Latin names are used in the complex ion: ferrate for iron, argentate for silver, orate for gold, cuprate for copper, and so on. Plumbate for lead. The neutral complex molecule is named similar to the complex cations. That is, the name of the central metal atom or ion remains as it is. Let's take up how do we name it. In this complex, counter ions are negatively charged, so first we will name the complex compound. In complex compound, first we will name the ligands. And ligands are named alphabetically. First we will name this one, it is called amine. Triamine. In amine there is a double M, be careful. And triaqua. This ligand is called aqua. Water is called aqua and there are three, so we call it triaqua. Now this complex is positively charged, so chromium remains as it is. Oxidation state of chromium is +3 because counter ions are -3 and ligands are neutral. So we write chloride and we do not write trichloride. We only write chloride if in the case of chloride ions. These three chloride ions are neutralizing the charge on the complex ion, but in the name we write only chloride. Here we have got the ligand ethylene diamine and there are three molecules of ethylene diamine. So first we write tris. Why we have written tris? Because the name of the ligand involves di, tri, etc. It involves di. So tris ethane 1,2-diamine we write in bracket cobalt 3. Why? Because complex ion is positively charged and the counter ion sulfate ions are negatively charged. So cobalt 3 sulfate. Third example we are taking where cation and anion both are complex ion. So here first one is cation and second one is anion. First one has +1 charge and second one has -1 charge. When we name it, we write diamine because there are two ammonia molecules linked with silver ions. So we call it diamine silver 1. Second one is negatively charged, so it will be dicyano. Cyanide will change to cyano. Argentate 1. Why we call it argentate 1? Because this complex is negatively charged. So the here counter ions are complex ions which are negatively charged, so we name it as dicyanoargentate 1. Let's take a more example. Write the formula for the following coordination complexes. First one, tetraamine, aqua, chlorido, cobalt 3 chloride. Way of writing is, first we write the central metal ion, which is cobalt. There are three, tetraamine means we write NH3 4 times. Aqua means 1 water and chlorido means 1 Cl, and they are written alphabetically. Then we put them in bracket and check the coordination number of coordination state of cobalt is +3. So this is +3, this is neutral, this is neutral, this is -1. So 2 chloride will be outside, so as to neutralize the charge on this complex ion. Another complex we have potassium tetrahydroxido zincate 2. So first we write potassium K2. We will check it should be K2 or K or K3 after calculating the charge. So inside the bracket we write zinc first, and hydroxido is 4 tetra, so we write 4 times. So zinc is +2, OH is -4, -1 into 4, that is -4, so +2 is the charge on the complex ion which is neutralized by 2 potassium, that's why it is K2. Next one is potassium trioxalato aluminate 3. Aluminium we write in the square bracket, oxalate ion, and 3 moles of oxalate ion, so we write thrice. Charge on aluminium is +3, oxalate will become -6 because each oxalate ion has -2 charge, so K3 will be outside the bracket, which are counter ions. Next is dichlorido bis ethane 1,2-diamine cobalt 3. First we write cobalt, then we write Cl2 because we write ligands alphabetically. En is the symbol for ethane 1,2-diamine, and there are bis, so we write 2 here, and 3 positive is the charge on cobalt, 2 minus will be on chloride ion. Net charge on this complex will be +1. Last one is tetracarbonyl nickel 0. Nickel we write and carbonyl 4 times. Oxidation state is 0 and carbon monoxide is neutral. There is no charge in the complex. It is neutral. Next we do write the IUPAC name of the following coordination compounds applying the rules. The first complex we have to observe. The first we see the ligand alphabetically. This is amine. And there are 2 ammonia, so we write diamine. 1 Cl we write chlorido. NO2 is linked with nitrogen, so we will call it nitrito N. Complex is neutral, so we call it platinum. And oxidation state of platinum is 2 because this is -1 and it is also -1, so it is platinum 2. Let's come to next complex. For K3 we will write potassium. And we have to name the ligand first, so we write trioxalato. And the complex ion is negatively charged because counter ions are positively charged, so we have to write chromate. And oxidation state is 3 because this is +3, this is X, this is -6 equal to 0, so X will come out to be +3, so oxidation state is 3. Next complex we have to name. 2 cobalt is linked with 2 chloride ions, so we call it dichlorido. Then 2 ethylene diamine we have, so we write bis ethane 1,2-diamine. Cobalt oxidation state is 3 because there are 2 chloride ions here, 1 chloride ion outside, so cobalt is 3, so we write cobalt 3 chloride. Next complex we have, there are 2 ligands, one is carbonato, another is amine. So first we write amine, pentamine because there are 5 ammonia. Carbonato, there is 1 carbonato. Charge on cobalt is +3 because carbonate is -2, chlorine is -1, cobalt will be +3. So cobalt 3 we have written chloride. There is no change in name of cobalt because the complex ion is positively charged. Last one is mercury. Mercury is in +2 oxidation state, so here we can write mercury 2 in bracket also. Tetrathiocyanato because there are 4 thiocyanato. Cobaltate because the complex ion is negatively charged. Cobaltate 3 +3 we have taken here, so here mercury is +1. So mercury 1, tetrathiocyanato, cobaltate 3. Write the formulas of the following coordination compounds. Tetraamine diaqua cobalt 3 chloride. Tetraamine ammonia we have written 4 times. Diaqua means water 2 times. Now plus 3 is the charge on cobalt, so Cl3 will come outside. Next one, potassium tetracyanide or cyano also we call it, nickelate 2. So K2NiCN 4 times. Nickel is plus 2, cyanide is minus 4, so minus 2 will be neutralized by K2. Next one, tris ethane 1,2-diamine chromium 3 chloride. Chromium is linked with 3 moles of ethylene diamine denoted by En. 3 is outside the bracket. Charge on chromium plus 3 is neutralized by 3 chloride ion. Next one, amine, bromido, chlorido, nitrito and platinum 2. Platinum is linked with amine first, then Br, then Cl, then NO2 with nitrogen, linkages with nitrogen. So here we have got 3 negatively charged ligands. So platinum is plus 2 because minus 3 will be the charge on the complex ion. Next one, dichlorido bis ethane 1,2-diamine platinum 4 nitrate. PT, dichlorido means Cl2. Bis ethane 1,2-diamine means En whole twice, and there is a plus 2 charge on this complex which is neutralized by 2 nitrate ions. Iron 3, so ferric, here we have hexacyanido or hexacyano FeCN6. There is a 4 negative charge on this complex, 3 positive charge on counter ions, so 3 will come here, 4 will come here. It will get neutralized. This is the formula of the complex.